Number 30, so use an identity to solve the equation with cosine of 2x, so we could use a double angle formula and maybe it would work out good, but the other way, use a graphing calculator. We'll graph the left side as y1, we'll graph the right side as y2 and find the intersections. So we'll go with cosine of 2x plus 5 cosine of x plus 3. And then we go equals 0. And then remember, we want to have our mode. If you've looked at the other ones, if this is the first one, so you want to make sure your mode is in degree. So down here, here's radian. That might be selected. We want it in degree. And then we want our window to go from 0 to 360 because we're in degree mode. X scale, every 90 degrees we want a little tick mark, and it's fine. We're looking for where it intersects the x-axis really. So we got the second line's at 0, so going from y equals -1 to 1 will do it. So we look at the graph. It tells us how many intersections there are. There's going to be 1, here's 2, and it must be beyond 360 when it makes the next one. So we've got 2 answers. We go second calc, which is the trace button, right? And we want to do an intersection. So we do number 5. First curve we just hit enter, second curve we hit enter, and we walk our little spider closer to the intersection we want to get first. So I'm over there. I get 120 degrees. That's one answer. Again, I can't put that in. They're going to want, they want it in terms of radians, so we'll convert. But let me get the second intersection, and then we'll move to conversion mode. So second calc, number 5. Enter, first and second curve, and then for the guess, I go closer. If I hit enter right at the guess, it gives me the same answer. So to get the second answer, you got to get closer to it. And so I get close to it, and it gives me 240 degrees. So those are my 2 answers. All I now need to do is convert to radians. So I multiply by pi over 180. That's the conversion factor. And I'll have 240 pi over 180. And now I just reduce. So we can divide both by 10. So that's 12 over 18. A lot easier to deal with now. What goes into both 12 and 18? How about 3? 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Oh, I can go further. I could have done 6 into both, right? But anyway, 2 goes into 4 2 times. And now 2 goes into that 3 times. So I put my answer is going to be, one answer would be 2 pi over 3. Second one here, 10 goes into both of those, so that takes off the 0. Let's see if I can, 6 goes into both of these. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 6 goes into 18 3 times. So 4 pi over 3. That's the second one. Those are my answers. And again, you may have slightly different problem, question, but this method will get you through both of them, all of the answers. Yeah.